Hi, let me explain how this program works. First things first, you need to learn Splunk basics. To learn that, you register for this free Splunk SIEM admin bootcamp, which we are conducting every 2 weeks. So this is a 10 days program. In this, we will be teaching you IT concepts, cyber security concepts, and networking concepts, like what is IP, what is port, router, switches, firewall, IDS, IPS, different kinds of devices. We will be providing you the basic knowledge, so that when you are entering into Splunk, you will be clear in the concepts. So along with these concepts, you will also do one project that include SIEM and SOAR. You will also identify the brute force attack. So in this project, you will learn how to identify a brute force attack, how to remediate that one. So those are all the beginner concepts which will be covered in this bootcamp. Once you finish this bootcamp, now it is time for you to learn the intermediate level of concepts. The intermediate level of concepts are covered in the intermediate bootcamp. So in this intermediate bootcamp, we are going to help you to do 10 different projects. So as a first step, we will be teaching you the basic clustering concept, like search at cluster, index at cluster, cluster manager, deployer, universal forwarder, heavy forwarder, deployment server. All concepts we will be teaching you in the first 5 days. So once you get the knowledge about those components, now you are equipped with the skills that you need to apply on the 10 projects. So you will do 10 different projects, including a cluster configuration, cluster maintenance, deployment, data onboarding, troubleshooting, and multi-site cluster. These are all admin related things. Of course, we have development related projects as well. In development, you will do the security data onboarding, SIEM compliant, and then you will write the security use cases as well, along with the dashboard building. So 10 different projects covering 10 different areas of Splunk. So all these live sessions will be provided to you. So you can join the live session, or if you are not able to join the live classes, you can also watch the recordings as well. If you need to have a lab, so all these projects will be done in the live environment. We will be sharing the screen and doing all the projects. If you also need a live environment, you can opt for labs separately. So if you want to know the lab cost, you can check the second link. That will give you project-wise lab cost. That is optional. If you really need, you can take it. If you don't want the lab, if you need only the bootcamp live classes access, then it will be 1,000 rupees per year. If you have any doubts, you can also post your queries in this WhatsApp group. This is a private WhatsApp group only for the people who registered for this bootcamp. Along with the people, we have our trainers as well. If you get any doubts during the day related to these projects, our community is there to help you. Sounds interesting? Click the link below.